Okay, Lori, I think if you will, when you go to YouTube, if you will click on up here at the top, click on your name or initial and go to your channel. And then it should have all of the videos that you have made. If you click up here, oh yeah, if you'll click up where your name is and go down to where it says YouTube Studio. It should look like this, and then if you go to the side and click on where it says videos, then all the videos that you have made will pop up. What I've been doing is if you put your mouse over whichever video and then these three dots, it'll say get shareable link. And if you click that, then it's going to copy it. It's going to go ahead and automatically copy it, and then you can paste it into an email. And then if for some reason, make sure if you're on this page, make sure where it says visibility, make sure it says public. If you click this, it might say private or unlisted. You want to make sure that it says public right there. Okay? So options, get shareable link, it'll copy it, and then you can go into an email and hit paste. And that's the link that I think has been working. You might try that. This might be even more confusing, but hopefully that helps.